In this video, I am going to teach you how to find Google Merchant Center ID. So this one is actually really needed since this will be your identity on the Google Merchant. For example, you have two different store and you want to know those two's IDs. What you can do is head over to merchants.google.com and you will be automatically logged in into the first store that you have. For example, on my case, I have in here my stores, and this is my Google Merchant ID, this bunch of numbers right here. You can also expand that in order to see the actual Google Merchant ID. So if you want to see the merchant ID of your other store, you can just switch stores from in here. And once you have switched your store, you can also see in there a combination of digits, and this will be your ID from this part. So that's how you find Google Merchant Center ID. Hope we help.